Now let's talk about replacing the aftermarket PCB board of Wiper motors for McLaren. First, we need to test whether the original Wiper motor works. When we put it on the platform and try to make it turn, it doesn't move. Now we'll power off the motor and start disassembling it. First, remove these 4 screws. There is adhesive here, so we need to scrape it off until it's mostly removed. We can directly find a spot to insert a chisel and then pry. Then we can remove the main board. Now we need to replace the main board. First, we'll desolder these 3 solder joints. Let's heat them. And slowly remove the tin. If it is not enough, we'll add some solder to reduce the original solder's melting temperature so it can be easier to remove. Next, remove this screw. After unscrewing these 2 screws, we can take out the main board. When taking it out, let's first try to lift it. Nope. We'll spray some chemical solvent to dissolve the adhesive. And then start pulling up. The board is severely corroded, so we need to clean it off first. Here there is also heat paste, which will also wipe off. Next, we install the aftermarket board for testing without sealing it yet. We remove the glue all around so it can be installed quickly to test. Now we need to install it on the motor. To test the motor's functionality, we supplied power by giving 12 volts. Then we can see that it can rotate. Now let's reverse direction. When installing, we must ensure a proper fit. First, scrape off the remaining adhesive. After that, the main control board will fit tightly here. This avoids false contacts, otherwise it will break in a short while. Now let's install it for testing. When installing, connect the 2 power input and output terminals, then fit the cover onto it. Now proceed with the test. After installation, let's test the high-speed mode. Then the medium speed. And turn it off. Okay, the aftermarket version is now installed, and the replacement is complete. Note that here it is very likely to misalign them when reinstalling all. If it is not installed tightly, it will fail after some time. Once properly installed, we can put glue and fasten the screws before sending it back to the customer.